Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Yeah, on the Bonk chart, we still haven't seen a substantial reversal yet. The price is still, I think under a lot of downside pressure. So the structure here is pretty much unchanged. We have seen a bit of a reaction to that 100% extension level that I mentioned before. I did move it to the right, but that was the, oops, 1 second. Just need to adjust it back. Just wanted to move it back to where it was. Yeah, we had that initial reaction to that 100% extension level here. That was the 100% of the, or extension of the A wave down. Yeah, comparing the length of the C wave with the length of the A wave, it did give us this range here. And the very first level to watch was here around 249,327 roughly. And there was a bounce, but that bounce was only in 3 waves. So with that sharp reversal, unless the B wave has started in white, it looks as if the C wave is not finished yet in the yellow count. So what I mean is there is no sign that a third wave rally has started. So I would not say that the wave 2 is complete. I think it is possible that the A wave in the white count is complete because a B wave sometimes is extremely choppy. But then we would need a turnaround here, a break above yesterday's high, which was formed at 308,280 roughly. And then a rally into the B wave resistance area that I already communicated a few days ago. And then probably a rejection from there. At least we would be watching for a rejection there. Or, you know, from a yellow wave count point of view, basically the white count is the extended wave 2. In the yellow count, one more low might be enough to complete it. I mean, technically speaking, you could say because the 100% extension level has been reached, the yellow C wave could be complete. But then I would need to see some kind of a reversal. But yeah, this yesterday would have been good to uphold that upside momentum. Then we could now be a bit more confident that the third wave to the upside has started. But it hasn't done that at this stage. So we see choppy sideways action. And no real, basically no real sense of upside momentum. No real evidence of upside momentum. So what does it leave us with? Well, the next downside support levels are the. Let me just make sure I've got it adjusted correctly. Yeah, so there is a bit of a cluster of support here: the 1.236 extension and the 500% fib retracement. These would be key levels to watch, very close together. And that could be the next area where the price might go down to, form that last low in wave C of 2 before then a reversal attempt occurs. So basically what it means, we have an upside breakout point, upside resistance here at 308,280. That would be a level to watch to the upside for today and this week. To the downside, I think it's going to be the 50% retracement level next at 233,749 pretty much. And if it needs to, it could extend this correction down much lower. If it really needs to, I mean, the support area goes down all the way to 161,484. But, from the yellow wave count point of view, it absolutely doesn't need to go down that much. Absolutely doesn't need to go down that much. One more low might be enough. It doesn't even need one more low, but the price action from yesterday's low, or from the, from the Friday low actually, suggests that we haven't really bottomed yet. What I could see, and that's just a quick explanation, for the white count, that this here is some kind of a an A, B, C structure or something, where the A wave was a 3-wave move itself. We now see a deep B wave, even though it looks quite impulsive to the downside, but then it could still turn around from here. That is how the micro count of the white B wave would look like. That is much more the case for a B wave, that it could look like that. A 3-wave move could always extend into a larger 3-wave move. Then it would be, for example, for a third wave rally. That is not typical third wave rally behavior, at least not yet. Okay, that's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.